have a few students candidates remaining. Just pay your mainly to staff.
Otherwise, may that blessing be upon your leadership of this team, and may that blessing be with MBARARA High School, Mr. Ham and his team. May that blessing be upon our country, Uganda.
Value education. It is at the heart of really our journalism. I don't think there's a media house that has committed as much resources to the subject of education. Like you mentioned, during the lockdown, we did a lot of work to keep learners continuing to engage. We got content and opened up the radios, the TVs for lessons. Because of that, we went into book publishing. So we opened an arm of the business that focuses on book publishing and largely textbooks. So now we also do textbooks. I don't know if
we normally order our new curriculum books from Division.
Yeah, so
our leading suppliers. Yes.
Yeah, so we're into that space as part of strengthening our offering on the education front.
Kanasima orukwebembera Vision Group okureba ngu aba Vision Media Vision Group nibakunda ebyo bwegese nibakira kushohoza za tests za primary za senior za higher batamu omahurire gabo kandi nintekateka emyanya emwe inagiremu einatambwira amahanga gamwe mu Africa nangwa naheru ya Uganda naheru ya Africa tinkwijukaje ngo hariyo abamahurire agokureba nibatamu ebyo bwegese ekyo nikibasa kuba kiri mu Uganda yonka.
Elizoba MBARARA High School twahendera etamu twahumuza abeji okuya aba senior 6 abakuza kugumaho kumarira bizambira bwa katano. CEO wa Vision Group naija arukwizira abuzare burundu butwire twine na Vision Group armu TV West armu Radio West na New Vision itself. MBARARA High School twentukoragana na Vision Group ka media house yitu abo kuba twaba twine birango ngishomero twaba ntukora events aba Vision Group batucoveringaje